COVID has affected nearly every single industry, and that includes our court system. Mallory Willink is a family law attorney with Conrad, Trosch, and Kemmy, and she joins us this morning to talk about what this all means for folks who have to make some tough family decisions during this time. Mallory, good morning to you. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Okay, I want to start with this. I know that you have been working since the summer with the Mecklenburg County Family Court Task Force regarding family court practice. Can you tell us about the work that you've been doing?
Absolutely. Over the summer, I worked alongside other attorneys, judges, and clerks to help find ways to adapt to the new normal resulting from COVID-19. The focus of that task force was really to find ways to be efficient and safe when reopening and expanding the court offerings during this period of time. Once the courts were able to expand the offerings on June 1st, I then shifted my focus and began working with the Justice Access Initiative Task Force through the Mecklenburg County Bar. And in that task force, we focused our efforts on evaluating the processes and procedures that we use to really ensure that the courts are open to not just attorneys, but more importantly, to families and individuals to be able to ensure that their needs are being met and their matters are being addressed.
Yeah, I know it was important to you and the rest of the team to make sure that everyone has access to the courts. That was the whole purpose.
Absolutely. That was very important for us, and that's really the whole focus behind the Justice Access Initiative Task Force. I truly believe that access to the courthouse and to the courts is very important for everyone.
What would you say to people who are listening right now who are worried about moving forward with a family matter that requires legal expertise from someone like you?
I would say that there's good news. The good news is that we're moving forward, although it is different. The courts in North and South Carolina are utilizing the most recent technologies to address these matters virtually so that there's not the backlog created. And we're also ensuring that the necessary safety precautions are being taken when we are actually in person. And really, in my opinion, this pandemic has forced us all to embrace these new efficiencies and these new changes. And I think it's a positive change that you'll see have an impact going forward.
You know, a lot of times, Mallory, you are working with people during a very difficult time in their lives. It's already stressful enough. You add COVID on top of that. How is it that you like to, really help your clients and work with them and sort of hold their hand, figuratively speaking, if you will, through this process?
Yeah, I like to make sure that they understand that we are able to move cases forward. We're handling more and more virtually now than we were obviously before. And we're also taking steps through these task force to implement some procedural changes that reduce the number of court appearances, which certainly will reduce the amount of time and money spent. But more importantly, it reduces a lot of the stress that we often see in all of these cases.
Mm. Mallory Willink, thank you so much for the work that you're doing.
Sure.
To book an appointment with Conrad, Trosch, and Kemmy, you can call the number on your screen. It is 704-553-8221. You can also visit their website. It's ctklawyers.com. Again, ctklawyers.com. Mallory, thank you.
Thank you.